Hey parents! Looking for an unforgettable day of excitement for your little ones? Join us for the Young Fan Summer Field Trip to Kids Playground. This isn't just any old playground. Kids Playground is a whimsical wonderland designed to spark curiosity, nurture creativity, and let your child's imagination run wild. Every square inch unlocks new adventures, from sprawling play structures to safe splash pads. Your kids will glide down the gigantic bubble slide. But a Young Fan Summer Camp Field Trip is more than play. Our experienced teachers facilitate engaging lessons, making learning a fun game. Your children will build problem-solving skills in navigating the maze of tunnels and obstacles. And they'll get exercise galore running, jumping, and climbing to their heart's content. Parents, this is an opportunity to create lasting childhood memories. A chance to unplug from screens and plug into the energy of unstructured play. Make sure to let your kids experience this one-of-a-kind experience. Visit our website or call us now to learn more about our programs and to schedule a tour.